Good morning. It is week 5 already. Can you believe it? This week we finally get into a real core topic of biology, which is the cell. To ease us into it, there's actually a big chunk at the beginning of the lecture which reviews kind of the first couple of modules, 2 through 4 I'd say, and talks about how cells and parts of the cells have really already been discussed in terms of these neat technologies we've been talking about. So spend a little bit of time there to really connect, oh, cells are basic for all of these things. And then we kind of go through a very typical biology lecture about parts of the cell, but what's cool about this online class is that there's all kinds of great online tools to help you, spend some time with images of the cells and parts of the cells, and I think it's a really great way to learn kind of the function of cells and the parts. So I hope you enjoy that. By the end of the module, we'll actually be talking about DNA, which is really neat. And I do encourage you this week to definitely look at the pre-lecture video thing. It's a computer model of the cell and like just how wild and dynamic and amazing it is. Now it doesn't seem like such fancy computer graphics, but when it was made, which I think was nearly 15 years ago, I can't quite remember, but it was a big deal and it cost like $40,000 to $50,000 to make because it was such a feat of graphic engineering. And now you're like, oh, that's like a video game. But at the time it was a big deal. So do watch that. It's a really great way to get in your head what we're going to talk about in a more simple fashion. Last but not least, start now. Make sure you can take your quiz and do a great job on it by 10 on Friday. Right? Let's all be like rockin' by Friday and really ready for a great discussion, because it'll be hard to discuss this topic without some nice background. So enjoy, and I think this will be a nice, straightforward module, and you're going to get down and dirty into some regular old biology.